So, in this session, we are also going to talk about how to work with string data structures in Python. Okay, so basically, as we already discussed, string is a collection of alphabet, numbers, and any other character written in single or double quotes. Correct? For example, if you talk about this string, Python is a string enclosed under single quotes. Okay, now string is a variable. If I just multiply the string with a number 3, I will get Python repeated 3 times inside the string. Okay, you may think what is the use of it, but down the line you will understand. Okay, if I have to repeat something for n number of times, you can use something like this. Okay, next thing is another string I have created. Here I have taken EPAT handbook as a string. Now this is how the slicing happens. Slicing is same as as what we did in list. String of 0 refers to element E. String of 1 refers to element P. 0 is to 4 is nothing but it will go from 0, 1 to 3. E, P, A, T. 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0 to n minus 1 logic. String of 4 means nothing but there are space after this. Fourth element is space. So he will return you space. 5 to 13 means whatever is there after 5 to 13, the handbook. And string of 13 is the exclamation mark, like this is the value. Accessing is same across tuple, list, and string. Okay, if you know for one, you can easily access it for all others. Okay, now similar to list and tuple, we also have some built-in functions. For example, you have a string, let's say sample string, EPAT handbook. You want to convert each of these character to uppercase. Then each letter of your string will get converted to uppercase. So I haven't defined the sample string, but this is referred as a string. Then if you, the moment you run it here, it will convert it to uppercase. The moment you call the lower function, all the characters inside the string will be converted to lowercase. Now, if you want to capitalize, for example, Python is amazing, then it will capitalize each character, first character of the word. Okay. Now, if you want to count how many times character O is repeated, O is repeated 2 times in the book, right? So he will give an output as 2. If you want to count how many times A is repeated, A is repeated 1 time because we are asking lowercase a. If we ask capital A, then it will answer will be 1. We are asking lowercase a, so it's just 1 inside the handbook. Okay. Now, sometimes what happens in the string data set, you may get preceding and the trailing spaces. Before the string starts, you may have some unwanted spaces. If you want to get the rid of these unwanted spaces, you can call the built-in function called strip, where you're going to remove all these preceding and the trailing spaces. Okay, this is the functionality of strip. And then if you want to check whether the string what you have, it contains only the alphabets or not, then you are going to call is alpha. He's gonna check whether the string contains only the alphabetic letters or not. If it has numbers, then he will he will return as a false. If it is just alphabets, then it is going to return true. Okay, similarly, this string contains only alphabet. No, along with the alphabets, it also contains spaces. That's where it's gonna return false. Okay, now if you pass digits or the numbers inside the codes and asking him whether is this a digits, he will say yes. If the string contains only the number, then it will say it is a digit. Okay, any string, if you want to check whether the strings is starting with character A, then it will return true. Is the string starts with small k? No, we know that this string starts with capital K, capital E, so it will return false. Now you are asking him to find EPAT under your string EPAT handbook, then he will return the index of what is the index of this word 0. You are asking him What is the index of A? Index of A is this one. You are asking what is the index of Z? Z we don't have. It will return -1. So whenever you get -1, it means that this character is not present in that particular text. Okay. Now you have some digits inside the quotes. You want to replace 0 with 1. You're going to call dot replace. So wherever 0 is there, all will get replaced with 1. So your output will become 1, 1, 1, 1. Similarly, if you want to replace 1 with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And if you have a string and separated by spaces, you want to convert this string to a list where each word is separated by comma, then you're going to call a split function. And inside that, you are not going to pass anything. And then if you want to find out the index of p character in the textbook, then you are going to get index of p, and then you will get the output as 1.